Maybe we can get some of those at Race Street. Spray our kids.
Just kind
of spray it on the kids. A little sugar
their
water.
flying and
Recognize you.
clean up. Now at this point you'll see that they start sticking their tails up in the air and bending just the tip of the tail. Like those with sensitive noses will smell sort of a lemony scent that is basically saying, here's a new home.
Oh, okay.
Put a little box. It's a little box. Yeah, see it's on that red tape? It's a little box for her. And she stays in there. And she still gets serviced by all the others. That's really cool.
Finally got to see it. Thank goodness.
So how long do you have to wait before you get them all?
It really depends. Should be about 15 minutes, though. They weren't here that long, so there won't be a whole bunch of like
Stray ones coming from
scent.
distance. Yeah.
Well, yeah, scent that keeps them in this space. See, these at the entrance are fanning and saying, "Come on up, everyone, come in here."
Right. It's my first rodeo, you know.